In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing on Google Sites, fast and easy. Whether you're managing a collaborative project or simply want to keep your content in order, knowing how to control who can edit your Google site is a crucial skill. Let's dive right into it and have your site secured in no time. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, you'll want to search for Google Sites. Upon doing this, you should see a link that takes you directly to the Google Sites page. Click on that link. This is the first step in accessing the platform where all your sites reside. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see a list of all the sites you have access to. Scroll through and locate the specific site you wish to restrict. Go ahead and click on it to open. This takes you into the edit mode of your site, where you have the suite of options to customize and manage your site content. Now that you are in the selected Google site, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. On this bar, you will find the Share button. Click on this button, which allows you to access sharing settings for your site. This is where you'll set the restrictions on who can edit your content. Once you've clicked Share, you'll notice a Restricted button on the screen. Click this button to adjust the permissions. This is an important step, as changing these settings will determine who has access to your Google site. Now you should see a drop-down menu appear. This menu gives you options for how you want to restrict access and edit rights. To ensure only specific people can edit or view your site, you'll want to set it to Restricted. This setting is vital because it prevents unwanted people from gaining access, especially if the link to your site is accidentally shared outside your intended group. After you've set the access to Restricted, you're almost there. Simply click on Done, which will save all changes you've made to the sharing settings. This confirms that only the people you specifically add will have the ability to edit or view your Google site, keeping your content secure and intact. And that's it. You've now successfully restricted editing on your Google site. Remember, controlling who can edit your site is not just about preventing mistakes, but also ensuring that your collaborated efforts aren't tampered with. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more of our guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.